telephone, cigarettes, relieve the stress. Cup of Jack, I'm immune to all the fucking facts. I can't stay, I need to say what's on my mind. We fuss and fight, yeah, all night. This is insane, no more games. But no one's calling, fly to New Orleans. I'm tired of stalling, need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it, no more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're mine. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize. This is the last time. Just to kill the pill. I wanna take another, but I never will. Repeat again. Wash my hands of all the dead and present to burn them. I can't stay, I need to say what's on my mind, what's on my mind. We fuss and fight, yeah, all night. This is insane, no more games. But no one's calling, fly to New Orleans. I'm tired of stalling, need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it, no more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're mine. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize.
This is the last time, hard to pretend. Two can play the game, but nobody gon' win. It's me versus you, and it's you versus me. So tell me, baby, what's it gon' be? Sorry for the times that I ever hurt you. Sometimes it felt like I just ain't deserved you. Tired of running around, we break up, you leave. You come around and you call blocked ID. This is the last time I said this before. We can't go on, can't do this anymore. You asking my serious? Yeah, I'm not feeling this. I'm getting sick of this whiskey, I'm sipping it. This is the last time. I don't wanna do it no more. I don't wanna do it no more. Got a few shots that I still need to pour.
But no one's calling, fly to New Orleans. I'm tired of stalling, need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it, no more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're mine. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize. This is the last time.
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say, and I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain, but it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest play. The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please, we know.
closure.
Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason right. Let's take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stick or jello. I got room and make amends, but can't go through the same regrets. It could feel so good on mine. Not about love, again. And I know you're the safest bet. Yellow, whether we deep or shallow.